Looking to boost your home's safety? In today's video, we're diving into the best door security bars that can help protect what matters most. We upload quality videos daily to give you smarter product insights, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Number 1. MSIC Global Secur Door Heavy Duty. Engender peace of mind with a security bar that can hold back over 3,000 pounds. This Secur door bar has a one-handed installation for use on hinged doors. Slide the yoke under the doorknob and position the bar at an angle of about 25 degrees. On a 36-inch high doorknob, that's about 15 inches from the door. The handle rotates and provides pressure to hold the door in place. If needed, alter the height of the bar with the adjustment collar by inserting the pin and moving the inner tube to the correct position. The bar adjusts to work with doorknobs between 34 and 48 inches high. The material that covers the footplate provides adhesion to different types of floor surfaces, including carpet, tile, hardwood, concrete, and vinyl flooring. The footplate also provides maximum surface contact. Made of heavy-duty aluminum alloy and durable thermoplastic elastomer, the security door bar weighs 3.2 pounds. Number 2. Master Lock 20-gauge dual-function. Additional home security can be affordable. This well-priced security bar from Master Lock can secure both hinged doors and sliding doors. The bar adjusts between 30.5 and 45 inches for hinged doors, and it adjusts between 27.5 and 42 inches for use with sliding doors. To prevent forced entry on a hinged door, set the bar to the correct height. Place the padded base at about 15 to 18 inches from the door. Place the yoke under the handle and slide the bottom toward the door until the bar is snug. For a sliding door, remove the pin holding the yoke in place. Position the bar along the bottom of the door and adjust the length accordingly, making sure the silver button pops up into the correct hole. When set up for use on a hinged door, the pivoting ball joint provides complete contact with the floor, and the padded foot ensures a secure grip without scratching. Made of 20-gauge steel, this portable and compact bar is ideal for home or travel.
In seconds to secure both hinged and sliding doors at home or on the go.
Number 3. Doorade Standard 38-inch door bar. This horizontal security bar for doors from Doorade provides a high-strength barrier to home invasion, without introducing a potential trip hazard into the room. Instead of propping a removable brace diagonally between the doorknob and the floor, this system mounts flush against the entire width of the door. The solid aluminum bar locks into heavy-duty mounting brackets on the door frame. It's tamper-proof from the exterior, made of rugged materials, and is easy to install. To install this Doorade model, first mount the paintable hinge brackets at the desired height inside the door jamb. Then install via the 3-inch screws, which are long enough to reach the wall studs on both sides of the door. Once in place, the hinge moves back and forth so it can swing out of the way when not in use. To secure the door, position the hinges and place the bar inside. Number 4. Ideal Security Patio Door Bar. With anyone looking for a versatile patio door security bar will want to look into this model from Ideal Security. The aluminum bar's design means that there's no need to bend down to remove the device when going in and out, and it provides security even if the door is partially open to allow fresh air inside. It also includes a child-proof lock to keep little ones safe. The bar adjusts between 25.75 and 47.5 inches, and it installs with screws in the middle of the door instead of at the bottom. Because the bar is mounted to the door frame with screws, it cannot be jarred out of place. The child-proof lock prevents the bar from being lifted without first releasing the lock. When not in use, the bar swings up and stays out of the way. In testing, the lightweight door bar proved very easy to install and use. Number 5. SecurityMan Security Bar 2 adjust. To add security at multiple entrances or windows, consider this SecurityMan model, which works on hinged doors, sliding doors, and windows. It can adjust between 22.25 inches and 43.7 inches for a hinged door. To secure a sliding door or window, it can adapt to between 22.25 inches and 39.25 inches. It has 15 notched holes for adjustability. The bar comes with interchangeable caps, depending on the application. 4 hinge doors. The caps have one end that fits under the door handle and one end that has an adjustable angled rubber bottom that assures complete contact, plus a non-slip grip that won't scratch the floor. For a sliding door or a window, the ends have rubberized caps that fit over the bar. The high-grade iron bar works on a variety of different flooring types, including tile, wood concrete, marble, linoleum, laminate, and more. The bar can withstand 350 pounds of pressure, yet weighs just 3 pounds.